So this is the RAK Pro Tools Magnetic Wristband, and this band is used for putting around your wrist as you are working so that you can hold your accessories such as screws and different bits and whatnot on your wrist, so while you're working you don't drop the stuff. Let's just see how well this magnetic wristband works. Oh, check that out. If you're right-handed, you probably want to put this on your left hand. If you're left-handed, you probably want to put this on your right hand. If I'm like drilling or something right there, and I want to reach down and grab a screw, I can look and be like, oh, look, I got a screw right there. And then I can just do what I need to do with the screw while these are just like stuck on my wrist. If I'm taking the screws out, I don't have to just drop them on the ground. I can just put them on this wristband. The whole wristband is magnetic. Check that out. Oh, wow. That whole band, the place where the Velcro goes is not magnetic, but you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. So you could even like section this out if you needed to like divide this stuff up. So that is so cool. That again is the RAK Pro Tools Magnetic Wristband for when you're working on stuff and you just want to have something to hold your screws and other various pieces of hardware. Very cool.